Hey everyone, Hexbug here with our very own Vex Robotics Build Blitz, available at hexbug.com. Now listen, we know you're getting bored at home. My question is, why are you bored when you could be building something beyond the barrier of boredom? Today, we're going to be opening this bad boy up to show you guys just how much comes in this massive kit. First up, take a look at the builds this kit shows off before you even dive into the box. Super cool. And this thing is huge and actually kind of heavy, so I wanted to pull out the scale and see just what we were working with. That's 5.4 pounds of playtime right there. All right, let's break this open. So first things first, make sure you get an adult to help you open this. Safety first. Next, you have to decide how you're going to unload all of this. One at a time. Or my personal favorite, as chaotic as possible. And done. Once you've got all the bags out, you can finally see all of those little pieces inside. So let's get this open. Like so. Woo, that's a lot. We definitely recommend organizing these pieces to keep track of the different kinds of parts you have. Ah, much better. What can you build with all this, you ask? Buckle up. You've got a race car, a monkey, this grabby boy, we call him Pinch, the crane, not a bird, a gator, the balancer, and a raptor, that clever girl. How could you possibly build and control all of these mechanical masterpieces? By downloading the free Vex Pilot app on your smart device, of course. Once the build is complete, if you're looking for a little something extra, you can complete the STEM Lab challenge on the insert right here in the box. In conclusion, there's an insane amount of adventure in this box, and all it needs is you to get this show on the road. For more Vex Robotics challenges like the Build Blitz, check out the Vex Crossbow 2.0, Catapult 2.0, Z360, and Gatling Rapid Fire, also available at hexbug.com. And if you want to see more unboxings like this, leave a comment and let us know. See you next time!